The Samsung Galaxy, they stand out for being a range of phones that offer everything from the most basic in the entry-level range at a moderate price to the highest range and top features in the sector. In this high range, we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra current and its camera of 108 megapixels. Yes, the future Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, it will practically double this number of megapixels. Just a few months ago, Samsung launched its top-of-the-range smartphone on the market, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This came to be one of the most powerful in the sector, thanks to its Exynos 2200 processor at 2.8 GHz under a process of 4 nanometer. Also, Cortex Eclipse 920 GPU based on architecture RDNA 2 of AMD. All this was seasoned with a camera 108 megapixels, something that has been used since the Galaxy S20 Ultra of 2020. Now, Samsung wants to break that tradition, because its Galaxy S23 Ultra will bring a 200 megapixel camera. But not only that, because it will bring a fingerprint sensor new, together with faster storage and one biggest battery. We start with the improvement that most attracts attention in this Samsung S23 Ultra, and it is nothing more than the camera itself. With a new 200 megapixel lens, the company discards the 108 megapixel used in its high-end devices after almost 3 years. However, as many of us know, the number of megapixels in a camera does not determine its quality. In any case, we see a tendency to increase these in an insane way to eliminate various problems. Since we have a slower processing power of the images to such a high number of pixels, together with the size increase of the photos. And it is that the quality of these is increased more by the sensor itself than by the number of megapixels. In the case of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, it will use the sensor 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1with technology pixel binning. Other companies like Apple with their iPhone have been using sensors with much less megapixels, although it seems that the next iPhone 14 Pro will go up to 48 megapixel. That's it for today. Now, what do you think? Comment down below. As always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.